We are down 8.7%. Oh my god, my friends, what happened? We are all the way back at 3%. Oh my god, my friends. So yeah, I was right earlier today, and I was right yesterday when I said I think the end of the gold trade and is the start of the oil trade. And I was wrong. I was right, my friends, but I did not take action. It's fine. I stay to the strategy. You know, sometimes I can be right. You know, I can be right, and I could like sold the gold miners yesterday, but that's not my strategy. My strategy is I stay with winners. So if I sell at all-time highs, that's not the strategy. I stay with the strategy because, you know, I could have sold in November, I could have sold in December, I could have sold in this October, because gold was up all the time. I could have sold in January, I could have sold, but actually we are down only 8%, and I was leveraged, like I had more than 100% of my portfolio in gold miners. So actually I'm doing good. Like the gold miners, look at this, they are down 8%. They're down 8%, and I'm only down 8.75, and I'm leveraged, you know, and I was leveraged 2x. No, not 2x, 1.5. Now I have no leverage because I have tail, and I don't include it, and also the dollar was down, so I lose money on that because I'm short the dollar. Look, I'm short the dollar. So yeah, I was short. I took a lot of shorts today, so that's why. But I lose on. Look at my euro position. I have a lot of euro, so I lose on every front today because it's trend reversal. I always lose on trend reversal. But look, we are still up. We are still up. We are still beating the S&P by 6 points, even with this crash. So yeah. Remember there, we were up 14%, and a couple days after we were down 8%. Look, 8%. From 14 to 8 in 1 week. Yeah, because the strategy is leverage. Like there's leverage, so, and there's a lot of concentration of winners. So when I'm winning big. But my strategy is attack. Maybe I will put more defense because you will be scared, so I will put more put. That's maybe, yeah, I'm trying to see that, because maybe you're scared of the volatility, and maybe if we diminish these days, like I will find a strategy to diminish this. So you are me, I'm not scared because I know the strategy works, but for you maybe it scares you, so, and you will panic sell, and I don't want you to panic sell, but I don't know. Yeah, I will put maybe more options, more put options to protect the strategies when the concentration are these highs, because I think I had 120% of the portfolio, like $1 million in miners. And I will be down also tomorrow because my Australian miners are not trading yet. And Japan market will also be trading, so I have a lot of Japanese stocks, maybe they will go down. And Korea also, AI in Korea is down, like everything is down, like, and like I said, I think it's the beginning of the oil trades of this year. So yeah, I will soon be in oil. I'm in oil, like I have Battalion Corp. I have a lot of oil companies. That's why I'm only down 8%. But yeah, look at my Battalion stock. It's up 100%. %400%. And I have my first also 630% company. Look. Focus. Shit. Architect Studio. Yeah, let's keep going up and up and up and up and up and up. So yeah, my strategy, I know it's working. Sometimes there's market reversal. It's fine. I think the gold trade is over. Like for a couple months, it will not go up. Like it was a sell the news event. It was for gold, not for oil, but for gold, yes. And my tankers are down today also, but I made the trade, so all the gains we make, we attack, and then we make so much money. Then like the goal is to make so much money that when we lose big, but we're still up like crazy. It's the goal. It's the winning strategy, my friends. It's the winning strategy. It can't. Oh, look, it's beautiful. I don't know if you saw. Oh no, I don't. Oh wow, it's beautiful. I love this city, Dubai. Wow, look at this. It's amazing. Wow. Wow, look at this view. This is my view every day. Like, look at the lasers. You have to enjoy life. Wow. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful city. It's calm now. It's more calm because there's nobody. Yeah, my friends, what I will tell you is stick to the strategy. Today I'm doing the trades, but I'm doing the trades I was supposed to do today. Like I'm always waiting for the close. Like for me, intraday prices doesn't matter. So I'm always waiting for the close. And tomorrow, yeah, if I will see and I will stick to the strategy. If they are really losing, miners are losing, they will be out of this portfolio because I don't want losers in my portfolio. If miners and gold become losers, as I think, they will be out of my portfolio very soon. I will rotate to oil, I will rotate to whatever is going up, my friend. And yeah, metals, it's very hard industry. So I've never seen a metals bull, and I never seen this crisis. Like remember, like in January, like it was crazy. It was crazy because I've never seen it. I saw the charts, so I knew silver could go down like 30% in 3 days. I knew that, and I expected it. But like 36% in 1 day, like even if you expect it, you do the calculation and you do, yeah, the worst is I go down 10%. But when you leave when you say, oh, 10% is not bad, like it's a bad year, like it's okay. But when you feel the 10%, it's hard. Like, I understand why people panic sell. I understand why, because it's very hard. Like, it's very hard to be with losers and to lose, like, especially when I was right yesterday and I did not make the trade because it was not in my strategy, and you know, but I could have been wrong and my miners would go up today. So I cannot know. Like, you know, guys, some of you say, oh yeah, you have such good analysis of the market, etc. But I'm not a genius. I'm not more intelligent. Yeah, I'm intelligent. Like, I'm good at math, I'm good at computing, I'm good at algorithm, I'm good at AI, but my number one quality is I don't have any ego. I learn, I listen. I don't say, yeah, like, yeah, I expected a 10 to 15% correction. But if the market was up today, I would say, okay, maybe I was wrong. Like, you always have to be very, very objective. Listen to the market. Like, I was right on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is doing very good. Like, Bitcoin is, you know, I made the trade on Bitcoin. And everybody told me, oh, it's too early. Yeah, I was too early. I was a couple days too early. But I would not have taken the like, the plus 7% day was the trade for me. Because if I saw, yeah, maybe I would take it like today because I saw the resilience. But you know, I would not have bought at 63 when it dropped during the weekend. Because I was a little bit skeptic. I said, yeah, maybe it's not that wrong. But when I see the rebound, I say, yeah. And I think Bitcoin will go up for 1 month, 2 months. So I think it's a good trade. So I'm very happy with this. My friends, like, I'm down 8%, but I was right. That's the subject of the video. I'm down 8% today, but I was right about the market. And sometimes I will get wrong. But the thing is not to be right or wrong. The thing is to win. The thing is to make money. Because so many people want to have, like, yeah, I was right about this. They want more to be right than to make money. Like, they want to have the next Nvidia, you want to have the next Nvidia, you want to be the hero. You don't even want to do money. You want to say, yeah, I picked this stock and this stock was right. It's the wrong strategy, my friend. The right strategy is, okay, I don't like this stock. I hate this stock, but it's going up every day, I'm buying. This is the real courage. This is the real strategy. This is the real, like, I want to make money. I don't care. I hate XRP. Like, today I shorted XRP. I hate XRP. I don't know what it is. I don't understand why it's worth so much. But last year or the year before, the year before, like 2024, when it was going up, I bought because it was going up, and I made a lot of money. And XRP, I don't know if someone wants to explain me XRP, I'm down to listen. But I don't care. And I don't need to know what XRP does. Because if it's going up, I'm buying it. It's like Zcash. The Zcash, I was like, oh, maybe it's not. But I bought Zcash. Like, I'd say, oh, it's going to the moon. I bought and I made a profit. Like I don't care how I win. I want to win. And your problem is you care how you win. You care too much how you win. You have too much ego. You want to be right. I don't want to be right. I want to make money. That's why I'm rich, my friends. That's why I'm rich. Yeah, ego is the worst thing for making money. Ego and proud and worst thing. Because when you have ego, you miss so much opportunities. You miss so much. Yeah, you have to remember that. Please listen to me. It's free advice. Like I'm telling you. Okay, I'm trying to see my Binance account. Has it been hacked? I hate Binance, but I had it for the public portfolio. Yeah, okay. You know, I put a lot of work in this shit because I don't care. Okay, I have 180 USD. Well, it's not much, but we are flat because I bought at 68 500. I think don't remember. Go to my other video to see I did a video like I bought 4 Bitcoin. So I'm public. So in a couple months you will see, oh, he bought. And when I will sell, you will say, oh, maybe I should. Do you think I will have a lot of messages? Do you think I should buy Bitcoin here? I will say all the time, like it was 2 months ago. The trade was 2 months ago. I say that every day. But this trade was 2 months. But yeah, you cannot make money in overnight. When it's on news and CNBC, it's over. The trade is over. If you, this dog is, oh my god. You cannot make money watching CNBC. Impossible. Cute.
Thank you. Have this one also.
It's yours also? You have 2 dogs?
For my friend.
Hello. This
friend.
one has a leash and the other one no.
This is mine because this is naughty boy. This is the girl.
Girl is calm.
Yeah, she's not going.
And boy goes to other dogs and see you. Yeah, he said the dog, the male dog, he has a leash and the girl dog doesn't have a leash. It's like humans. He said like it's like humans. It's like us, he said. Yeah. It's true. Yeah, you have to, yeah. And you have to, it reminds me of something. I put the video, I don't know if you saw, the law of the jungle. We are animals. Everything is like animal. Everything is like, the world is like that. I took the metaphor of the lion is in the tree, waiting, like, I don't know, the leopard or what animal goes in the tree. Like the lion goes in the tree and hide for hours and hours and hours and hours. And he waits for the prey to come very close to the tree. It does not make any noise. Trading is like that. You have to wait for the prey to be just in front of the tree. It's like Bitcoin when it was up 7%. For me, the prey was laying down the tree, because if the prey is 10 meters away and you attack the prey, it runs, it sees the noise and it runs. And a trait is like this: if you are too early, the traits go away. The trait is away. If you are too late, it's the same. It's the same. You understand what? If the prey is 10 meters away, you can attack, you can trade. It's easy to trade, but what's difficult is to wait for the good time in the tree. Like to attack is very easy. You just have to come down of the tree. It's very easy. You just have to put a trade on your brokerage account. But what's more difficult is waiting in the tree, making no noise, and seeing and waiting and feeling the market, feeling like seeing. You know what I mean? It's all about timing. It's all about seeing and waiting and be intelligent and yeah. So my friend, I don't hope, I think we will, nothing has changed. Like I'm down 8%, yeah, it's bad, but I'm still up 4%, so I'm still outperforming the S&P by 6%, with the two biggest crashes of miners in the last 20 years. In 2 months, I'm still up. Can you imagine that? I'm still up with the worst crashes, the two worst crashes of the miners since the last 20 years. And I was 120% in these miners. So yeah, I'm not afraid, my friends. I'm not afraid. I stick to the strategy because it's the winning strategy. Buying winners and cutting losers. How can it not be a good strategy? How can I not outperform? How can I not outperform? It's impossible, my friends. It's like impossible. I cannot do it. I cannot underperform. So we will see in the next days. But I wanted to do this video because it's very important. And if you follow me, if you did the trade, it's okay. You have always to be in attack. Tomorrow will be attack mode. I'm in attack mode. I'm not anticipated the market. I'm seeing the market. Because yesterday I anticipated the market. Like I said, yeah, maybe the gold trade is over. This is anticipation. But now I see it. Like I say, the minus 10% for me, the gold trade is over. I know it's like, I know it 95% for at least like 6 months. I know it. Now I know it. So I can make the trade. Tomorrow I will get out of a lot of miners. Because it's over. It's finished. It's life. It's okay. See you, my friends.